guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walmart Ibotta haul for you all. Before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. So today, you guys, I have a Walmart Ibotta haul for you, and on my Ibotta account I had a bonus to where I can receive $5 when I redeem 15 offers. So everything that you see right here is a total of 15 offers. So if you guys are interested in seeing how much I paid for all of this, then just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started with the Listerine Floss. So this is the Listerine Floss pack, and this is priced at Walmart for $1.97. Ibotta does have a rebate for $2 back, so you will pay $1.97 out of pocket. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2, and it'll make this completely free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And the limit for this is 3, so I went ahead and grabbed 3. And then right here I have a Perfect bar, and this is priced at Walmart for $1.99. Ibotta does have a rebate for $1.99 back, so you will pay $1.99 out of pocket. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.99, and it'll make this Perfect bar completely free. And then I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these Trident Gun Packs. These are priced at Walmart for $1.12. So I purchased 2. So 112 times 2 is $2.24. Ibotta does have a rebate for $1.12 back when you buy 2. So you will pay $2.24 out of pocket. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.12. That'll bring your total down to $1.12, or it makes each one of these packets just 56 cents, which is a really good price. And then right here for the Honey Maid crackers, these are priced at Walmart for $2.98. Ibotta does have a rebate for $1, so you will pay $2.98 out of pocket. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1, and that will make this box of Honey Maid crackers just $1.98. And then I also have the Ritz Crackers back there. That is the family size, and it comes with 12 stacks in there. And so at first, you guys, because I pay attention to my prices when I go in the stores, so at first the family size was priced at $2.86, but I noticed that they brought the price up just a little bit, so now they are priced at $2.94. So $2.94. Ibotta does have a rebate for $1 back, so you will pay $2.94 out of pocket. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1, and that will make that box of Ritz Crackers just $1.94. And then I also got some Treetop applesauce right here. This is the 4-pack, and this is priced at Walmart for $1.76. Ibotta does have a rebate for 75 cents back, so you will pay $1.76 out of pocket. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents, and that will bring the total down to $1.01, or it'll make each individual pack just 25 cents. And then for the minute rice, that is priced at Walmart for $1.36. Ibotta does have a rebate for 75 cents. So you will pay $1.36 out of pocket. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents. That will bring your total down to 61 cents. It comes with 2, so when you divide that 61 cents by 2, it makes each one just 30 cents. And then for the John Frieda Frizz Ease right here, I went ahead and purchased 3 of these. And if you guys are looking for these will be in the travel section. So these are priced at Walmart for $2.47. There are currently 2 rebates that are qualifying for this, and each of those rebates is for $1.50 back. So you will pay $2.47 out of pocket, and you will get $1.50 back times 2. That's a total of $3. So you will pay $2.47 out of pocket, get back $3. That'll make one of these completely free plus a 53-cent moneymaker. And the limit was 5. But you know what? I don't even know why I got 3, because my store was completely stocked. I should have gotten 5. I don't know why. I'm just now noticing that I got 3. But anyway, the limit is 5, so you can go to Walmart and get 5 of these for completely free plus a 53-cent moneymaker. And then right here, I went ahead and grabbed a box of Nerds gummy clusters. And these are just priced at Walmart for 98 cents. No coupon for that or anything. And then the next item I have is the Snuggle Super Care. And then I also have the Snuggle Super Care dryer sheets. So both of those are priced at Walmart for $3.97 each. There is a $1.50 rebate back for the Snuggle right here, and that will bring the total down to $2.47. And then there is also a $1.50 rebate for this one as well for the dryer sheets. That will bring the total down to $2.47. But then you will get back $1 in bonus when you purchase 2 of these. So you will purchase 2 at $3.97. That will bring your total to $7.94. You would get $1.50 back for this one, and then $1.50 back for the dryer sheet. So that's a total of $3. So $7.94 minus $3, it'll bring your total down to $4.94. Minus the $1 that you would get back in the Snuggle bonus, it will bring your total down to $3.94 for both of those, or it makes each one $1.97. And then right here with the Coca-Cola with coffee drink, this is the caramel flavor. So this is priced at Walmart for $1.88. Ibotta does have a rebate for $1.88 back, making this completely free. And then with the Pringles Scorchin', this is the barbecue flavor. This is priced at Walmart for $1.48. Ibotta does have a rebate for 75 cents back, so you will pay $1.48 out of pocket. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents, and it'll make this just 73 cents. And then I went ahead and grabbed 4 of the Bella dog food. I went ahead and grabbed 4 of those, 2 of the grilled chicken flavor, and then 2 of the Porter Steakhouse flavor. So each of these are priced at Walmart for 60 cents. So 60 cents times 4 is $2.40. If you go to the coupons.com website, you can print off a $1.75 coupon. And when you use that coupon on all 6, so $2.40 minus the $1.75 coupon, it'll bring the total down to just 60 cents for all 4. But then when you submit your receipt to Ibotta, you will get back 25 cents times 4. The limit is 5, but I only got 4. So 25 cents times 4, that's $1. So it makes all 4 of those Bella dog foods completely free, plus a 35-cent moneymaker. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. And then of course, I used my PayPal debit card so that I did not have to pay anything out of pocket. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So everything rung up like it was supposed to. My $1.75 coupon came off. So as you guys can see, my subtotal came out to be $41.17, not including taxes. I got back a total of $28.34 in rebates. So $41.17 minus the $28.34 in rebates that I got back, it brought my total down to just $12.83. And then also included in those rebates, I got back any brand item. I forgot how much that balance was, but that's included in this also. So $12.83, and then I got back my $5 bonus for redeeming 15 offers. So $12.83 minus that $5 bonus brought the total down to $7.83, plus the $1 that I got back from the Snuggle bonus for purchasing 2. So $7.83 minus the $1 that I got back from the Snuggle bonus, it brought my total down to just $6.83 for all of these items. This is a total of 23 items. So when you divide that $6.83 by 23, it makes each of these items just 30 cents. But of course, like I said, I did not have to use any of my money out of pocket. I used what I had on my PayPal debit card, and that is the money that I continuously withdraw from Ibotta. So in today's transaction, since I got back a total of $34.34, I went ahead and withdrew that money from my Ibotta account back to my PayPal account. So whatever other couponing transaction that I do, that is the money that I will be using. And this is what I do to make sure that I don't have to spend anything out of pocket. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. I submitted this receipt and I didn't have any qualifying offers, but just for submitting this receipt, I did get back 25 points. So if you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below. I am currently building my Fetch Rewards points. Right now I am at about a little bit over $75, so I'm super excited about that, you guys. I will have that linked in the description box below. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points. And then also with Ibotta, if you are not using Ibotta, I will also have this linked in the description box below as well. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $20 when you redeem your first rebate through Ibotta. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. Please give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments in the comment section. And with that being said, I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.